Alright everyone, in this video we'll be now completing all our setup. That's installing our Elementor. Okay, so in the previous video we've just added the Elementor Pro. We've not installed it because one thing with Elementor is that you can't use the Pro without the basic version. Okay, but you can use the basic version. The basic version is free without the Pro version, but you can't use the Pro version without having the basic version. So this is why we want to look at what we want to look at together in this video. We want to look at installing the basic version. From the basic version we can now install the Pro version. So I've successfully downloaded the Elementor basic version that is free from wordpress.org. So I have it here. I'll copy it, the normal protocol, our usual protocol, take it to your WordPress plugin folder. Where we have the plugins, paste it there. Okay, extract. Now for the live server, if it's on the live server, we won't be doing it this way. The live server, you just have to search for the plugins in the plugins area. I'll show you that when we jump into our dashboard. But since we are using the local host, this is always the approach to install a plugin if you are working on the local host. Okay, so we've successfully gotten our Elementor. So this is it. You need to Ctrl+X to cut this folder. You take it to the plugins folder. That's a level up. Ctrl+V to paste. Then we now have our Elementor. You need to delete the one that has the version number 3.9.2. you delete it. Okay, so we are done with that. What we have to do next is to head down to our plugins folder, where you have the plugins here. You hover on it, you see install plugins, you click on it. It should load the plugins we have on our site. Okay, so we've not activated the Elementor and the Elementor Pro, so you activate the Elementor first, the free version. Okay, this is why I said you should increase your maximum execution time out up to 300. If you haven't done that, if it is 60 seconds, this is where you have the fatal error. Or if it is 180 seconds, this is where you have the fatal error. But if you've increased yours to 300, you see before 300 seconds is out, you should have your stuff working. So it will redirect you to the landing page on Elementor, but we don't want to do anything here. So you look out for the X button that you can close this page. Click on it. It should take us back to our plugins page or to our dashboard. It's still okay. So we need to install and activate our Elementor Pro. If we are done installing the basic, we can now install. As you can see, it says Gate Pro. Okay, so we've already gotten it in our plugins folder, so we can activate it. Let's wait for it to install and activate. Alright, so we have it done and set. So this is it. We have the basic and the most needful plugins for this training series, the Elementor Pro. This is all what we need. This WP maximum upload file size plugin is just to increase the file size, so that when we are done building our WordPress, or most of the times there are some kind of images we need to upload, maybe videos to our website and things like that. Okay, it might exceed the maximum uploading file size, we can use this. So to do that, click on the settings. We can alter any of that's using this. Okay, you see it says choose maximum upload file size. See, the highest is 64 MB, which is always the default, either 64 128. So we can alter this by taking it up to 1 gig. Okay, you see our current maximum execution timeout we set using our wp config, htaccess and php init is reflecting. So you can alter this, you can make it up to 600 here. Okay, which I would like to, then you save your changes. Alright, so that's it guys. In the next video we'll jump right straight into the designing, how to design a mobile face design, responsive design using Elementor and Elementor Pro, and how to build a good looking professional website using WordPress. So that's what we'll be learning from the next video, and I hope the video will be all fun and you will like it. So if you see this video, if you found this video to be useful and it's very helpful, I do like to have a support from you to like the video, and also if you haven't subscribed to the channel, so I would like you to subscribe to the channel so that you can have notifications of more videos on this. See you on the other side, and thank you for watching.